became a strip show. Welcome back to Strip by Sunday.
Hey guys!
Again! Let's do this! Hey guys!
Welcome back to our channel, and today is another thrift flip video for the month of October.
Spooktober, let's go!
That's why I'm wearing white, because I'm a ghost.
That's why I'm wearing red, because I'm
dead.
no. Only on the inside.
Only
on the inside.
Woo! So, for the first week of October, we thought of doing like a fall outfit thrift flip video, even though we don't have fall in the Philippines. Kind of. I mean, like it's not even cold.
It's not.
It
It's
stopped
kind of
raining.
cold. It's the Philippines.
We're just
definition
trying
of
with the
cold.
trends.
It's
So,
cloudy.
Yeah. It's
So it
cloudy.
at least looks colder.
Yeah, exactly. Which is why we made like 2 items of clothing today, and one of them are like,
It's cloudy, that's why we made 2. We made 2 because it's cloudy.
yeah, that makes sense. All right.
Because everyone knows if it's cloudy, you gotta make 2.
But yeah, where were we going with this?
We made 2 pieces. We thrift flipped 2 pieces of clothing each.
All right, exactly. So let's check it out.
Let's check it out. Oh.
How do you do it then?
Ready?
Oh,
Oh gosh. Oh.
okay.
Let's go on to my thrift flip. The first one, the easiest one. I'm sorry guys, I know this is barely a thrift flip, but it's an old sweater that I used to really love, but it just doesn't fall on me the way I want it to. It makes me look bulky. It's kind of, I lose my shape. So all I did was I cropped it. I know that's the most basic thrift flip ever. Like
The
everyone.
thrift gods are just looking down on you. They're just
I
like,
know.
shut
Ashley from Best Dress would be proud though. She loves cropping her shit. But then yeah, I just cropped it and I think it falls way better on me now. I think it looks cute and I would definitely wear it more often. Well, more often. I mean, it's, you know, it's also good that I cropped it because it's hot. It's hot here.
True, that's the tea here.
I mean, it's hot here. It's already hard enough to wear
Like while we were
full-length
filming,
sweaters.
we were like sweating.
Yeah, we don't have fall, okay? So this is really, we tried our best.
Yeah.
We tried our best to make things that look like fall outfits. I don't know what fall looks
I don't
like.
even know if it's that cool.
Anyway, so my second thrift flip. Okay guys, I actually did work here. Your girl worked. I know that the first one was kind of half-assed. I just cut. I get it. Well,
It's
worked.
literally one clip of just.
Yeah.
Why you bully me?
I worked for this one. All right, I worked for this one. I did not have a plan. You know this. I did not have a plan. We filmed for 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. we
And
were
I gave
filming
you
for 2
one
days.
day to think it through.
And I had no plan. I did not know what I wanted to turn this top into. I love the color. I love the fabric. This is the top, by the way. Sorry. I love the color. I love the fabric. I just like.
What are you? Because honestly, okay, when you look at the top, you don't know what you're gonna do to it either, right?
Yeah.
Like, it was just a
Anyway, I ended up turning it into a cami. I know that's not a fall thrift flip, but
Or
I
is
think
it?
looks very like fall colors. Okay, so basically what I did to it, sorry guys, what I did was I took out the garter, I cut off the top, and I traced a cami top that I already have that I really like the fit of. I just traced it and I cut that out, I hemmed it, and this is where things get a little bit confusing. So it was too loose. It was way too loose. I didn't know what to do because I was just planning to make it like just a plain like cami. And I was like, how am I gonna fix this now? Because the straps, I sewed them on and I realized that they were too far apart.
Yeah.
It was too loose. Everything was falling apart. I was like, you know what? This is gonna be a mess. I'm not gonna get this done. I'm gonna have only one thing. The video is ruined. My life is done.
Hope.
Yeah, but I decided to add this thing here. You can insert the clip.
Yeah.
I decided to add a little butterfly kind of looking thing in the middle. I thought it was cute, and I thought it added more of like a feminine,
nice touch to it. You know?
And I thought, that's okay. So I did that. I added these straps also. Bianca made these straps for me. She just cut them off of the sleeves. She just cut the hems off of the sleeves, and we made them into a
It turned so cute though. Like, you wouldn't believe, like, you compare this to this. Like how, it's so cool.
I know. And I just feel like I'll use this cami a lot more, even though the stitching. Okay guys, I used the wrong thread because we didn't have so yeah, I think it's turned out really well.
Are you okay?
Nope, no.
You're gonna say it.
I got injured.
The first thing I did was my favorite thing that I did, and surprisingly it didn't go wrong, because something always goes wrong with me. Like, you're gonna ask her, I seam dripped a shirt like 5 times because I couldn't sew one thing right, but like, oh my gosh, I was just so mind-blowing to me, like how I did not really mess up. I didn't really mess up.
She made 0 mistakes.
This whole week was full of mess ups for me. I've been having a rough week, not gonna lie. But this, wow, this is great.
Gravy spilled on her laptop.
I don't know how I'm gonna edit, but
I don't know how she's gonna edit this video. Gravy spilled on her laptop. If we get this out there on time,
that's why. Like,
wow.
Yeah, claps for me, I guess. But then, like, sorry. Okay, so what I did with the shirt was I cropped it. Like what she did. I like cropping too. I can't. That's alright. And then what I wanted, because it was very boxy, so then I put a garter through it too. And like made sure that I hemmed enough space for that. And then what we did was, from the bottom of the shirt, we made a, what do you call it, a lace? A string.
A string, a lace. We made like a tie, basically.
We make it like, it was like kind of to make it look, have this effect. And then we stretched it, because it started off really thick, like 1 inch, and then we stretched it.
We literally played tug of war.
Yeah, while watching a movie. And then like I sewed it in half because it still wasn't thin enough for me. And then like I love the effect that it made. Like, I like that you can see the ribbons and stuff. Like, it's cute.
It definitely falls better on you. It looks nice.
Yeah. So I'm proud of that. Like,
yeah, nice one. It's also Supreme shirt, guys. If you haven't noticed by now from the videos, it's a fake Supreme shirt. Let us know if you want to see more fake things.
Not to promote that, but I don't know. Alright, so the last item that I did, the last item of this video, is like my Fila sweater. Is it like a crew neck? It's a sweater.
It's a
basically, yeah. And then like the thing is, it's like my shirt where it's so big, like majorly big, and I love wearing it because it's comfy, but it just doesn't fit right into my body. So what I did was surprise! I cropped it again.
What's new?
Yeah.
That's all. Welcome to Recycled by Cropping.
Yeah, Recycled by Cropping. We crop everything.
That's the only thing we do.
Yeah, I guess.
Just crop it.
And like, I remember I even asked you, like, should I put a garter? Like, I already put a garter in the other one. But yeah, so I just ended up cropping it. It wasn't that hard. I wanted to keep the bottom. I didn't want to just cut it. So what I did was like I folded it in such a way where it would like mesh well together, I guess. Why are you laughing?
Funny.
Isn't it how I said that sentence?
I don't even know.
Why is it funny?
I don't know.
Why am I funny to you?
You're not.
You always laugh at me, not with me. Why aren't you denying it?
No, I'm joking.
Oh,
no, of course I laughed
true
with you.
colours
We're
come
laughing
out.
together right now. We're laughing
together right now. Okay. Talk to the... Anyway, so I cropped it.
Every time you move, I see the camera go like and try to
What's
adjust.
happening? Are you? Ooh. So yeah, I cropped it. What's new? Okay, do I really have to explain what's going on? You could just see in the series of videos what I did. I folded it, I pinned it, you know, like I sewed it. Boom, it's done. I cut the excess part, and yeah, I guess I did it.
That's it.
That's all it is.
All done.
We're all good then.
We finished it.
I cut a Fila shirt. I cut a fake Supreme shirt. Like,
So yeah.
So yeah, here's the reveal.
Yeah, so let's go to the reveal. Oh gosh.
To the left.
Okay. Let's go to the... Wait. What? Okay, let's just go there to the reveal. Let's
Alright,
go.
let's just go.
Ugh.
Go.
Okay guys, that was
The video.
yeah, that was the video. That was it.
That was the flipping. So we hope that you guys really like it. Please comment down below if you want to suggest anything that we should maybe flip, what you want us to make.
Or video ideas if you guys want us to do something else.
Oh, what else? Oh yeah, subscribe, please.
Yes, subscribe, like, hit that
Bell
button.
Yeah. Okay guys, subscribe, hit that bell button. Please tell your friends to hit that bell button.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you like what we do, comment, support us. I don't know. If you don't like it, maybe try again next week. Maybe it's better.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll
You
be
know,
better.
Follow our Instagram. We actually started posting on our Instagram recently. Finally.
We've had this Instagram since before the
We
YouTube
fought for
channel.
it.
We fought for it, and we haven't used it until now. So follow it.
Yeah.
We have a lot of sneak peeks and a lot of a lot of behind the scene stuff
Yeah.
there.
Who
so
knows what we're gonna story?
yeah, we post a lot of stuff there. So guys, follow it.
Please. Alright.
Alright, I'll see you. Bye. Thanks for watching.